This is Sunset Beach, and 700 feet above these world-famous Bonzai Pipeline waves, you'll witness the most beautiful sunsets in Oahu. This brisk trek up the Paumalu Range is on the North Shore, about 45 minutes from Honolulu without traffic. Park at Sunset Beach Elementary School and look for an orange trailhead sign. Your half-mile to the top is covered by shade trees and filled with unique foliage. Kids and dogs can definitely do this hike. Here you can see how lush the area is. Lush means rain and rain means mud. Now that definitely applies to this trail, but there are rope handrails and good steps to help, and trust me, the views are definitely worth it. 30 minutes in, you'll see the first Pillbox. Congrats! Head inside and check out the art. Head back up and get your camera ready for some truly spectacular shots of the more western view of the hike. And, if you're lucky, get to witness the incredible sheets of rain pouring down low over the Pacific. But for that truly awesome sunset view, you'll need to go just a bit further to the second Pillbox. Many people have trouble finding this one, but it's just 5 minutes due north over a small hill of tall grass. There may not be any official signs, but look for marked trees, and this is how you'll know you made it. All in all, there's no better place to get in a quick hike on the North Shore. Whether you're a World War II enthusiast wanting to see some curiously preserved relic, or a Hawaii adventurer that knows the hidden trails leading away from these cliffs, we can all appreciate the views like these. Thanks for checking out our video. Make sure to like and subscribe and dive into our other Oahu videos. Never forget, adventure is healthy.